grateful I am that you made time for this movie and to help us out. Hopefully, you're just like us na naniniwala na this movie has a greater purpose or a reason of why nabuo siya after all these years. Ayun nga, 2019 siya pinitch sa akin, and now in 2025, it's finally a reality. So we really think that there's a special purpose or a special reason kung bakit siya natuloy. And especially dun sa mga kabataan, if we can help inspire or save a life, then that's what we really want to do. This is the kind of movie that I wish I was able to watch when I was younger. That would encourage me that that hardships are temporary and there's more to life. There's a bright sinagtala at the end of the tunnel. So thank you again, and we hope that our message speaks to you, and sana you share it din. Syempre. Thank you.
One photo op na lang.
Yeah, sure. Oh, I'm super duper grateful. Feel that through this movie.
You mentioned dun sa nakaraang press con mo na malapit sa puso mo musika. Nung bata ka nga, you want parang to play drum.
Yes, yes.
Gustong bumili nun. Pero gaano naging kalapit sa'yo itong pelikulang to?
I think because of music kasi, it was the one thing in my life that made me really feel like I was not alone.
Okay.
Even in the darkest of days for me, when there were feelings that I couldn't put into words and I couldn't talk to people about, there was always music proving to me that someone out there felt that already, felt the same thing. So I think it's so important to celebrate that. I also think there's more to our movie also than the music, but I'll let the viewers discover what that is. But I think the overall message of the movie is something that I always want my viewers to feel, or always want my fans to know, which is you're not alone. And I think for anyone that's gonna watch this movie, that's how they'll feel also.
Okay. Kamusta yung samahan nyo ng mga kasama mo rito?
Movie na I can say na I really got out of it with real friendships, with people that I trust.
Okay.
And I can tell secrets too, and pwede kami magkwentuhan. We all trust each other.
You nag-guest ka recently sa Fast Talk with Tito Boy.
Yes.
And you mentioned na parang 2 years kaya ang lowest point of your life.
Yeah, yeah.
How are you? Paano mo nalagpasan yun? Then,
Well, again, I think I mentioned also how alone I really felt. And sometimes, alam mo yun, parang the more we tell ourselves that, the more we don't want or we don't think we can talk to people. Even if that person is, like, I have a super supportive, understanding mom. And for me to tell myself na I can't even talk to her. So, there are things talaga we can tell ourselves when we feel depressed, that make us feel even more lonely. But ayun, even through that time, I said I remember the day na I felt better because I just kept playing music, and one day I was dancing and we promote projects and we say we're so excited na mapanood nyo itong pinaghirapan namin. Pinaghirapan talaga namin to. I'm so tired. But it's all really rewarding and worth it.
Yes.
Through the it's going to be very emotional. It's also going to be very visual. You're gonna see a lot of beautiful things. And we work also to make our fight scenes good as well.
Okay.
Maraming nabitin sa teaser na nilabas kagabi. Anong reaction mo dun sa teaser?
Well, I think it was really, really beautifully shot. Obviously, it's not the first time that I watched it, but I remember the first time I saw that teaser on someone's phone. So it was a tiny screen pa. And I got goosebumps, and I thought, wow, this is the kind of project that I'm part of. And you can really see why GMA is so well known for their fantaserias.
And may trailer din daw na lalabas na. So, kasama ka na ba doon? Makikita na ba namin yung costume mo?
Yes, actually. Well, you're gonna see maybe not all because I have a few costumes, but you will see some.
Okay. Kaibigan.
I'm super happy to see her open up like that because me and Michelle were actually both introverts. I'm sure hindi halata because she always carries herself with so much confidence and
Yes.
she's always, but I hope you understand that also took a lot of work and training. She wasn't always like that. This is something, she worked on herself to be able to do.
Pwede ka rin maging house guest.
Ako,
Ayaw niya.
hindi ko alam kung kaya ng... Okay, in terms of not holding my phone and whatever, that sounds fine to me. I'm really not challenged by that or being far, shut away from the outside world. I'm okay with that. I think I would freak out knowing that I'm always being
24
watched
hours,
and I can't even pick my nose.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Like, I think it'll do something to me psychologically, so I don't think
Sa palagay mo, malaking chance ni Michelle to be the big winner kung sakali-kali.
Oh,
Guest
I think
lang
she
siya.
Guest
I
lang.
think she entered
Sa
she went to the ABS-CBN ball last
Yes,
night
yeah.
already, so she's out.
Ano sabi niya, Sharon? Mga na-enjoy niya doon? Ano yung mga natutunan niya? Nakapag-usap na ba kayo ba?
Yeah, what she said she really enjoyed about it. She felt like she went on a retreat daw. Sabi niya there were
Wow.
parts about life na she didn't expect na how deep she would be thinking while she's there. Parang sila-sila lang kasi yung nandun, sila-sila lang nag-uusap. So parang it's really a prime situation to really open up your heart and parang ask each other, how they go about life.
Okay.
So ayun, she felt like it was a retreat and she got really excited about all of the new friends that she's made, and she already told me how we're going to throw a dinner and have everyone over when they all get out.
Kamusta na kayo? Nasama mo ba si
I do sometimes. There was one time I just showed up and surprised him because I haven't seen him in a while and I missed him. So I was like, sasamahan ko na nga to. So yeah, there are times na I get to go. Pero ayun yung katulad nito yung parang, okay, I'll show you.
Laan. Pero sabi niya sa isang interview niya, manalo matalo, yung key na isa daw is tuloy. Duck the wedding, parang gano'n.
Yung cake!
Yung isang cake, KKK yung tatlong mga project niya, di ba?
Tuloy na ba? Ready ka na ba? If
Well, he's
ever?
gonna have to get down on a knee and ask me, but...
Are you ready kung sakasakali?
I'm right away. Okay, I'm super not thinking about dates yet. I'm not there yet. I mean, he's gonna have to officially ask me, but I think we all know what my answer is gonna be if he gets that kind of lakas ng loob to ask me.
So yes, sure, definitely.
Well, absolutely, for sure, because I wouldn't be wasting my time or his time if it was a no. I mean, we've been together for 3 years. I probably would have been hindi yata by now if I felt na hindi yata.
Tama naman yun. Okay, maraming
Thank
salamat.
you!
Thank you.
Thank you. Picture lang muna lang.
Yeah.
Okay lang.
Here lang. Alright.
Yeah, of course I will want to say when I see you na I really love yung Saving Sally pa rin.
Thank
It's
you.
my
thank you,
favorite
thank you.
movie talaga.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Yes, and ano pa? So now sinagtala, no? Anong masasabi mo sa mga taong mga struggling artists, no? Kasi yeah, you went to full circle ngayon. Finally, yung dream mo maging drummer, no?
Yeah. I guess what I have to say, guys, is when God puts a dream in your heart, it's there for a reason. So you have to absolutely 100% believe that sooner or later it's going to happen. And it's been 20 years since I've had this dream. When I was 14, I already wanted to be a drummer, and who knew I would have done it in my 30s. So ayun nga, when God puts a dream in your heart, you have to believe in that dream, and you have to believe that the things in your life are going to happen to make it happen, to make that dream come true.
Favorite P-pop or OPM artist?
Favorite, I'm still gonna say Up Dharma Down.
Wow, okay. Congrats!
Thank you!
invite na lang sa movie mo pala.
Yes, Sinagtala is out in theaters nationwide. Sana po magustuhan nyo yung movie na to. Natuto ako mag-drums para sa movie na to. So sana po mapanood nyo at masuportahan nyo. Kasama ko din dito si Raver Cruz, Matt Lozano, Glyza De Castro.
Guys, ang ganda ng Sinagtala. It's a very positive, godly, and purposeful movie. So, ang ganda ng mga ng story talaga ng about this band. And yeah, through all the struggles and problems na dinaanan nila, first, parang before, hindi nila ina-acknowledge masyado si Lord and more on para sa kanilang sarili lamang, ganyan. Pero towards the end, nung nagkabalikan na sila and after going through hard times, no, ang ganda ng, you know what, I'm a pastor then, I'm a worship leader. And this is my first time na in-invite ako ng taga GMA Sparkle. And na-meet namin si Rian Ramos. So, I'm gonna post yung video ng mga videos, interview with her. Pero right now, off the bat, I can tell you na I was literally in tears nung pinapanood ko yung movie. And I believe God was talking to me. Kasi sobrang relatable sa akin yung movie. It's about finding your purpose and giving the glory to God with your talents. And that was the message I got na don't forget to live your life for Him, no? For Him and only for Him, no? So I saw the producer is also Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. So Sinagtala, congrats sa movie nyo. And thank you to Rian Ramos for stopping by. Ang ganda rin ng messages ni Miss Glyza De Castro. Yung kay Raver and Matt Lozano. And then the mga parents nila. Nandun din si Robert Senya from Miss Saigon. Si Benji Paras. And